In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install PowerToys on your Windows computer. So whether you are on Windows 10 or 11, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process to install these productivity tools for your computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, to get started, you need to go ahead and look for Microsoft App Store, and here it is. So if you click on this app, this Microsoft Store, go ahead and log in with your account or create one if you don't have, and then using the search bar on top here, just go ahead and search for PowerToys. As you can see, Microsoft PowerToys is here. Go ahead and click on it, and as you can see here, it is Microsoft PowerToys. Microsoft PowerToys is a utilities for power user to tune and streamline their Windows 10 or Windows 11 experience for greater productivity. So this works either on Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get it, go ahead and click on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Microsoft PowerToys. And once it is done, it will go ahead and install it on your computer. Now, if you go to your start menu here, you should be able to see your PowerToys app here. Go ahead and click on it to launch it straight from here. So that's how you can install PowerToys on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.